Now I'm going to put 150 ml of citrus pre-wash and fill the rest up with water. Citrus pre-wash isn't designed to be foamy, but obviously using it through one of our foam blasters that's going to be injecting air into it, we're going to get a foamy consistency over the vehicle. If you use a traditional pump sprayer, you'll just have a liquid, and it's perfectly good for using like that. It's how it was designed to be used. Watching the Valetpro video. This has been our citrus pre-wash. If you've got any questions, please either contact us via our website or add a comment below if you're watching us on YouTube.